Hello, welcome to Math and Calendar this week, the beginning of our week. So let's go ahead and take a look at our calendar. Oh, my lid doesn't want to come off again. There we go. Let's take a look at our calendar. Last week we ended on Friday, May 1st. We then had a weekend with May 2nd and May 3rd. So here is today. Let's go ahead and do our today is statement. Today is May 4th, 2020. Great job. Look above the 4. What day of the week are we on? That's right. It's Monday. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Spectacular. Let's look and see how many days we've been in school. All right. So here Blair has our chart that shows on Friday we were in school for 161 days. I am going to add our ones straw into our ones place. Friday we had 1, 1. I just added another one, which means we have how many straws in the ones column? We have 2. Fantastic. So read that number. How many days have we been in school now? 162 days. That's exactly right. What does the number 162 mean? Yes, it does mean one group of 100, 6 groups of 10, and 2 ones. Fantastic. Let's count them. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 161, 162. Excellent. Let's make 162 with our base 10 blocks. How do we do it? Oh, I believe I heard 1 100s flat. There's the 100. 6 10s. I only have 5. Let me get one more. Here's 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There's our 6 10s and our 100 flat. And then 2 ones. Let's see if there's only 2 of them, if I can pinch them today. And 2 ones. 162. Fantastic. Let's work on writing that number 162. I actually remembered my marker today. 162. We have a 1 in the hundreds place, straight down. 6 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. Fantastic. 162 days of school. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you, Blair. Blair's going to go around and hold something else up for us today. This week, we are going to be studying different types of graphs and how to read those different types of graphs, okay? So today, we're going to start our lesson with a pictograph or a picture graph. It can be said either way. Some things call them picture graphs and some call them pictographs. Now, in order to make a graph, you have to collect data. Data. People say it either way. Whichever is fine. I collected data from you last week when I asked everybody how many pets they had at home. If you were on Zoom on Wednesday, I asked you on Wednesday and everybody answered that question. Or, no, it wasn't Wednesday. I think it was Thursday. It was Thursday when I asked that last week. And then everybody else, I sent a message to your parents and had them tell me, how many pets do you have at home? So I collected my data. Everybody answered me. I have all the information I need for how many pets we have at home. And I took that information and turned it into a picture graph. So here is the picture graph I made from that data. I'm actually, let's see if I can move just a little bit closer so you can see all the words. There we go. Perfect. Here is the picture graph I made. First thing you need to know about a graph is every graph has a title. So I named our graph Our Pets because it's all about our pets that we have at home. Over here, I listed all the different pets we have. We have dog, cat, hamster, fish, ferret. These are all the different types of pets that we have. Now, in our picture graph, each picture represents one pet, okay? So if I look at this, I can figure out exactly how many dogs our friends have at home. Let's count and see how many dogs we have at our houses. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow! At our houses, all together, we have 17 dogs. That's amazing. All right, let's go to cat now. Let's see how many cats we have. Remember, each picture represents one cat in our home. So let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cats in our home. Good job. Let's go to hamster next. Remember, each picture represents one animal. So we have 1 hamster in our homes. Good job. Now let's go to fish. Ready? Each picture represents one animal, so we have 1 fish in our home. Great job. And the last one is ferret. Each picture represents one animal, so we have 1, 2 ferrets in our home. Fantastic. Now, we can use graphs to answer all kinds of questions. So we're going to take a look at this graph and we're going to answer my first question. What pet does our class have the most of? That was a pretty easy one, wasn't it? Our class has the most of dogs because there are 17 dogs we counted, and we don't have any others that are close to 17. So we have the most dogs. Which animal or animals do we have the least of in our class? The fewest. Those two words are synonyms, least or fewest. Which one is it? Oh, we have 2 animals that we have the least of in our home, don't we? Hamster and fish. There's only 1 of each. Those are the least. Good job. So we figured out how many animals we have the most of, how many animals we have the least of. Listen to my next question. How many pets do we have in all? Ooh. How am I going to figure out how many I have in all? Oh, I think you're right. We're going to have to count all of them, aren't we? Oh my goodness, we're going to have to count them all. So do I need to recount the dogs again? No, we already counted them. How many dogs do we have? 17, that's right. We have 17 dogs. So if I have 17 there, can I just keep counting on? Yep, I can put that number in my head and count on. So we've got 17, that's up here. Let's start with the cats. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We have 29 pets in all in our classroom. Wow, that's a lot of pets, isn't it? Look at that information. All right, so now I'm going to ask some comparing questions. Do we have more fish or more ferrets? Are there more fish or more ferrets? Which one do we have more of, fish or ferrets? Oh, we have more ferrets. Good job. I can see by looking at our graph, I see 1 fish and 2 ferrets. Now I'm going to ask the tricky question. How many more ferrets do we have than fish? Oh, that one wasn't too tricky, was it? It was just 1 more ferret than fish. Fantastic. All right, 1 more comparison question before I give you your assignment today. Which one do I have fewer of? Do I have fewer cats or fewer hamsters? Do I have fewer cats or fewer hamsters? Another pretty easy one, right? I have fewer hamsters than cats. But here's where it gets tricky. How many fewer? Ooh, how many fewer hamsters do I have than cats? The pictures help us on this one. Pictures always help on how many fewer questions because we see this is the same, right? So then we just count how many more cats there are, and that will tell us how many fewer hamsters. So let's see, these are the same, so we're not going to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, I've got 7 more cats than hamsters, so that means I've got 7 fewer hamsters. Wow, look at that information I can get from a picture graph. Here is your assignment. You are going to collect your own data and make your own picture graph. Yours can be about any topic you would like other than pets. We already did pets, so you're going to do something else, but you have to collect data by asking the people in your house. You can even stretch a little bit outside your house if you want to go to other relatives, but they need to be relatives. You could do something like, oh, here's a good one, favorite ice cream flavors. You could ask everybody in your house. You might even want to call or text some people, grandma and grandpa, aunts and uncles, cousins. Hey, what's your favorite ice cream flavor? I'm collecting data. Then remember, if it's a picture graph, you have to make a picture for each one. So maybe make a scoop of ice cream picture and color it to match the flavor. That would be great. And put it on to make a picture graph. Fantastic. I can't wait to see your picture graphs. You don't have to do favorite ice cream flavor if you want to do something else different that you want to come up with, but ice cream flavor is a great one to start with if you would like to. I would love to see your picture graphs. Go ahead and create one and send it to me. Have fun.